Good afternoon, everyone. All right. Friday, March 8th, 2024. And thank God it's Friday. God, what a long week. Jeez. Had all kinds of stuff happen. But that's life, you know. Unexpected, but that's okay. Still got my work done. Well, a lot of it anyway. Got a bunch of knife orders out and a whole bunch of new ones that I've been working on, just about ready to put up on my site. Okay, so the ones we've been talking about, I've been showing the last video, a couple of them here, and here's one of them. Okay, there's that reclaimed chestnut barnwood. Okay, now this is absolutely ancient wood. Now I'm going to show you what it came from now. Okay. Now, I got a picture in that last video, I'll pop it in here too, of the table that I made out of this. Okay, now this wood right here, there's two different woods on that table. The top was that white oak, and the legs were made out of those purlin beams, 8x8s or whatever the hell they were. Anyway, there it is. That was what that would look like. You can even see the tenons on the end there. So I milled out a bunch of it. As you can see, that was fun because it's about, like I said, it's petrified, hard as a rock. When I was turning these chunks, this was about the size of the leg. It was so hard that it was nearly burning my chisels blue when I was turning them. Really, really hard stuff, and ancient too. Now I started counting the growth rings on this. I've got it around, the number around here somewhere, but it's absolutely hundreds of years old. Okay, and it looks really cool. I mean, there's some serious history going on with that knife and that wood. Yep. Anyhow, this one will be available, and here I'll show it in the sheath. There we go. Okay, hang on a second. Didn't want to spill that. I bet you can tell what that was. It's never that far away, obviously, especially on Friday. Whew. Like I said, one of them weeks. Alrighty, there it is. Mercy. That just kind of popped into my head. Now, a while back, maybe about 2 years now, I made that Dark Horseman. I made a couple of them, all right? Different sizes. Medium, large. I don't know what the hell this one. I guess this is sort of in the medium size range too, but the last other medium one I made didn't have that belly on there, that curve on there. That's really cool. But the big one, the big Dark Horseman had that. Okay, that was a little bit bigger. I had another inch, 2 inches bigger. But and I got a nice swedge on there. I kept it that deep. I didn't make it any deeper. I kind of liked it. And four finger grooves. Now I don't always do that. Sometimes I only put in three deep ones, wide ones, but I put in 4. Now I've got another one I've got to make here. It's a copy of a rendition of Randall Skinner. It's got an upswept blade and it's got four finger grooves in it too. Now I've done this before, but anyway, this one, I like it. Came out pretty good. Tiger, obviously, not a bad piece on there either. That's all. That's a nice looking piece. Might not show up quite as good in the video. Anyhow, this one is available too. This one will be up on my site unless somebody calls me. Like I said, anybody want to call me at the shop, email me between now and tomorrow would be a good time if you want it. George, Gary, Ed. If you guys are interested, just let me know. And those will be up there on my site. Now, if they don't go between then and now, everybody will get an email that's on my wait list. And they'll be the notification of when it's up, when those are up there and everything all set to go. So, all right. Now, getting really close now to the limited run of Hudson Bays. Okay. I know I keep saying that, but I'm trying to still fill back orders here. But I'm close. In fact, I already have some of them forged out. So what I'm going to do with those is I'm going to have them nearly completely ready. Forged out, hardened, everything, all to go, ready to go. All I need to know from whoever wants one, when the ones that I make available, will be whatever handle wood and left or right hand sheath, and they'll be finished up. So it's not gonna take me too awful long to do that. So that's coming up, just so everybody knows. And all the other things I got going on right now. So anyhow, okay, I guess that's about it. Not a long video, like I said, long week. And let's see. Okay, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for everybody, all the activity. Really appreciate it. Doing great on the site here. Getting closer to those super fan numbers there. So the ones out there who really love to comment and everything, you're going to get a badge or whatever the hell they put on there for when I get to that point there. Just need some more views, which I get more every day. So everything's going good. And okay, oh yes, a little sneaky one here. That big ass knife that I showed the last time on my video there, that big, I got it over there somewhere. That's getting close to, and I got another sneaky one. It's going to have a guard on it, a big guard, a double guard. Okay, so that's just a little hint. Ray, I'm still working on yours. I haven't forgotten you. That'll be coming up here shortly, the end of the month. So anyway, thanks again, everybody, and have a good weekend, and we will catch everybody in the next one. Thanks again.